Okay, Mrs. St. Andre is all ready to help you write a question. But before we do that, we need to know what a question is. Now, people write questions when they don't know the answer. It's something that they want to know. Questions start with special words. And Mrs. St. Andre on her slide made you a special question word wall. And it has all the words that you can use to start your question sentence. Let me read the words to you now. How, what, when, where, why, how, would, will, won't, has, have, had, is, can, did, do, don't, could, should, would. Whew! That is a lot of question words. Now you just need to pick one word to get you started on your question. Mrs. St. Andre is going to use this word, do. So let me use that word do, and it's on the word wall so I can spell it right. Do. I have it highlighted. I have checked my word wall, and I'm going to start just like a regular sentence all the way on the edge and use a capital D, do. Now I've started with a question word. What question word are you going to start with? All right, now Mrs. St. Andre wants to know, do you have any questions? So that's what I'm going to write. Do, and I'll finish up. It's just like a regular sentence from now on. I use my finger spaces. You, finger space, have, any, I don't have room on the rest here, so instead of trying to squeeze in my word, I'm going to wrap it around. Questions. It looks a lot like a regular sentence, doesn't it? Do you have any questions? It looks a lot like a regular sentence, but it doesn't end with a period. Watch what I write now. That is a special kind of punctuation called a question mark. Okay, now Mrs. St. Andre has written her question, and we want to find out if you have questions. You can have more than one question. Maybe you have a question about Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and his dream. We've been learning a lot about that, but maybe there's more to learn. Maybe you have questions about addition, and you want to ask more questions about that. Or maybe you want to know more about what is made from wood. Let us know if you have questions about any of the things we've been learning. Just make sure you write them down and you finish with a question mark. Happy learning, Awesome Osprey.